Hello, and welcome to Superior Tech Tips with Steph, a series where you'll be learning best practices for the OEM industrial engine industry. Come on, let's take a look at today's tip. For today's Superior Tech Tip, I'm going to show you how to find the engine serial number tag on all the John Deere engine models that we have here in our facility. Have you ever called into our Superior Diesel or Bell Power service department and they've asked you, hey, what's your engine serial number? Well, now I'm going to help you find it. On the 4045 engine, if the power takeoff is here and the fan is here, if you look under our OCV, you'll find the plate, serial number plate, all the way back here. On a 6068 engine, you can find the serial number tag behind this fuel filter in relation to the flywheel, and it's sitting right behind here on the block. On a 9-liter engine, the fan is here, the power takeoff is here, and if you look below the EGR cooler, you'll find the engine serial tag. On the JD14 or the 13.6 liter, the fan is on this side and the power takeoff is on this side. You can find the engine serial number tag below the ECU on the block. On a JD18 or the 18-liter engine, the fan is on this side, power takeoff is on this side, and if you look below the ECU and right by the fuel filter, you'll find the engine serial number tag on the block. Thanks for joining me for today's Superior Tech Tip. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at service@sdiesel.com, and I'll see you next time.